Good afternoon, I'm Tom with Liftboss JCB. I'm down here introducing you to the JCB line of scissor lifts. We call them the Access line. The particular one we're sitting in front of today is this S1930E. Now, a few features I want to point out on this unit is JCB has been designing to make easier access for serviceability, making heavier doors than the competition, making doors that won't sag over time so that your battery compartment and your charging compartment stay solid and you can actually service them. Now you'll notice you have your batteries are placed right here. So all your batteries are easy access, so you can check your water levels, you can make sure your batteries last you a lifetime. All your charging system is right here, and you'll notice it's ease of access for opening and closing. As we go around this machine, JCB's done a few things a little bit different. They've beefed up their pins. They've beefed up their scissor channels to make sure that this machine is going to last you a long time. LED lighting packages for your safety. They're all hidden behind the machine, so you're not going to damage those as you're working in your safety environments. Come around this end of the unit, and you'll notice they made your tie downs very easy for hauling this unit. Four tie down areas to secure your machine for hauling. You'll notice that your steering is all protected. JCB is making sure you have a solid steel protecting your motor so that you don't damage expensive parts. As we continue around the machine, you'll notice they've put a light on both sides. Make sure people know you're there so you're safe in your environments and your work conditions. Your second area here, accessibility. You've got all this is remote. It's all buried for you, your key switches and everything for safety so that you don't damage anything. You'll notice your hydraulic service compartment opens easy, solid steel design door, making sure that you don't have issues in the future of the machine. Your hydraulic filter is all accessible, everything's accessible, serviceability on the machine is fantastic. We'll close that door off, we'll come around to the back. JCB's reinvented with their 70 years of industrial construction equipment. They've reinvented the stair to make sure it's a solid stair that you can get up the machine and an excellent door opening for you. Let's climb up top. Now you'll notice JCB has all your pins to lower your rails so you can get access to smaller areas. Everything's pinned is easy. They also have a sliding gate. You press with your foot. You got 2 stops on your sliding platform. You'll also notice this is standard with JCB. We are including your AC to the top of the machine. So now you can carry all your tools up with you, and it's right on the platform. Now, with the JCB system, everything is standard. Everything is ease of use for the operator. You got your lift mode, you got your drive mode, you got your safety stop, and you got your joystick. Everything is safety. You want to move forward, you want to move reverse, you do have to press the buttons. This is fully accessible, so you can go to the floor, or you can put it back here for driving the machine around. With the Access line, we have 18 different models to choose from with the scissor lifts. Give us a call. Let's see what we can work for you and get you into a JCB scissor lift. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon.